What was your first reaction when you saw Nani's performance in Jersey?
I was crying. I was crying and I was having some kind of an emotional breakdown. And
You took inspiration from while preparing for Jersey.
interesting question.
How many retakes did you take for the scene where you had to slap Shahid Kapoor in Jersey?
He was so supportive and he was just telling me that, Mrinal, actually just think of your ex-boyfriend. That was, he literally said that.
Hi, this is Shahid Kapoor.
And this is Mrinal Thakur,
And you're watching
Bollywood Hungama.
31st December.
Please watch Jersey in theatres.
Rapid fire with Shahid Kapoor. What was the biggest challenge in playing a cricketer in Jersey?
Playing cricket. At the age of, I was 39, but I thought that and then I went through a very tough time learning the sport. I had a lot of
Khoon diya
injuries,
aapne picture.
lots of injuries.
Yeah.
Your favorite bowling delivery as a batsman?
Full pitch delivery outside the off stump.
Which batsman you took inspiration from while preparing for Jersey?
Interesting question. See, as a batsman, there is no point taking inspiration because you'll never be able to play as well as a professional cricketer. you know.
Right.
But there is something about the presence and personality of certain people which appealed to me. And I think Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Virat Kohli are two batsmen that I felt have a certain aura when they walk onto the pitch. And they are very passionate and you can see it in their, with Dhoni you can't see it, he's very, he's got his game face on, but you can feel it in his eyes. And with Virat it's very pronounced, how he feels. So those were two people that I saw a little bit before playing this character because I felt I connected with them, not just with them as cricketers, but I connected with their, their internal
Thought process.
not thought process, more like their passion for the sport. I can feel that they're deeply passionate about the sport every minute when they're on the ground, and I feel that's very inspiring to see in any sports person. So that's something I imbibed from those people.
What was your first reaction when you saw Nani's performance in Jersey?
I was crying. I was crying and I was having some kind of an emotional breakdown, and it was like a cathartic moment for me. It was a therapeutic film for me, which made deep impact. Nani was outstanding in the film. And for him, he's younger, so for him to have played the father was, kudos to him for pulling it off. Even though I don't think he has like a older child or something. I don't think he has like a big kid. I've never seen or heard. So I don't know if he had a kid when he did this film, and he definitely didn't have a kid this age. So he did a very good job with depicting that.
Just like Arjun, क्या शाहिद का भी कोई सबसे बड़ा डर है? What is it?
I've run out of most fears. I still have stupid fears, like I don't like flying that much. Not that I get scared in a flight, but I don't like it. I would rather not be on a flight than be on one. And just, loved ones and family. You want everybody to be safe, and that's the most important thing.
Ishq Wish to Jersey, over the years, what has changed about the industry that you wish had not changed?
ये एक किताब है इस सवाल का जवाब. From Ishq Wish to Jersey, what has changed in the fraternity?
That you wish had not changed about the industry.
Normal people get chances now little more than earlier. When I came in, there were no newcomers who were not born. Like people still think, Pankaj Kapoor ka beta hai. But I never lived with my dad. Nobody knew I'm his son, and so I was auditioning on my own. I used to live with my mom. For me, I never thought कि होएगा, because only या तो कोई producer, director, actor के बच्चों को ही break मिलता था. So I'm very thankful to Mr. Ramesh Turani and Kumar Turani and Tips for believing that a newcomer who doesn't come from any lineage or doesn't have any previous hype attached to their launch would be able to find a place for themselves. And for the first 10 years, I found it very difficult, because it's very, all the parties where, all these kids have grown up together, वो मेरे पापा उसके घर पे आते थे, उसकी मम्मी इधर आती थी, ये वो सो पार्टीज़ में भी साथ में होते हैं, सब जगह साथ में होते हैं. तो क्या होता है कि वो when you come in, you feel a lot like an outsider. उसमें किसी की गलती नहीं है, but that's just how you feel, because you are not a part of the clique for a long time. So a lot of that has changed. A lot of new people are getting opportunities, new filmmakers, new people are getting, and that's very good. We might be talking about nepotism today, but I think there is still quite a bit of opportunity today compared to when I started. There's more opportunity today.
Answer these questions as Mrinal, please. What do you think is the most attractive feature of Shahid?
She was very jealous of my hair when I grew it.
Oh, yeah,
Remember,
I
you used to
loved
keep saying
his
you have so
hair.
much volume in
Yeah,
your hair.
his hair
So I
is
think
like-
that long hair that I had for the younger
Yeah,
person.
yeah.
And we were kind of sharing a haircut. I don't know if people noticed.
I know, we were looking,
You know,
someone
we had no
commented
idea.
twins.
We had no idea that we had done it. We thought that, we've gone period specific and this, that. But I saw a lot of comments after Maya Menu saying that, Mrunal and Shahid's hair length and texture seems very similar.
Twinning.
So we were twinning with the haircut.
What one habit you're trying to get rid of?
Sounding like I'm very old and,
Please, you need to
philosophical
get
and
rid of
prophetic
now.
and all this,
Yeah.
this Gyani vibe that I have in me.
Gyani
I
is
think
fine,
people
but
don't
that
like
old,
that.
you don't need to specify
I'm trying
all
to
the
get rid
time.
of
Yeah, because it's a bit of a contrast, yeah?
Yeah.
Last movie that made you cry?
Josie, when I saw the original Josie.
Rapid Fire with Mrunal Thakur. How many retakes did you take for the scene where you had to slap Shahid Kapoor in Jersey?
Many. I actually couldn't slap him. It was very difficult for me to even do this. So it was
We did
very.
some computer graphics in that scene. Actually, I held a hand and slapped myself. We just removed my hand.
He was so supportive and he was just telling me that Mrunal, actually just think of your ex-boyfriend. That was, he literally said that.
We discussed that before you
forgot
came
I
in.
said that.
We discussed that scene in detail before you came. All right,
It was
so
very difficult, but trust me, I think it was very difficult. How do I slap Shahid Kapoor, guys?
all right, beard or clean shaven, which look of Shahid is hotter?
Clean, always.
A habit of Arjun Akash Shahid in Jersey you'd never want to see in your partner.
Oh, just keep smoking and being like a thoda time a loser. Yeah, I don't want to see my partner as a loser who's lying, who's stealing.
To answer these questions as Shahid Kapoor, please. How was it working with Mrunal for the first time?
Oh, fabulous! She's amazing. She's so talented.
Habit
I've
of
already said these things.
what is the
You
most
already said.
annoying
Already said.
habit of Mrunal?
I don't
She
think.
thinks she's perfect.
Yeah.
Can I answer it?
Yeah, please.
Jay.
I think she overthinks a lot of things. And I think she lacks a little bit of
Focus.
focus, definitely. But also I think she needs to believe more in herself. You give yourself less credit than you should.
I'll take care of
Yeah,
that.
you should. Actors should always empower themselves. Because everybody's gonna talk shit about you anyways.
Yeah.
Say good things to yourself every day.
What do you think guys notice mostly about you? This is you as you.
Notice
My
about you.
smile.
Okay.
But what if you're not smiling? Then what do they notice?
They want me to smile.
What if you're not smiling? What do they notice?
I think my eyes,
And if you're wearing shades, then what do they notice?
my hair,
And if you're wearing a cap?
then my body.
So basically, they notice everything about them.
Yes.
So मृणाल ठाकुर के रैपिड फायर में भी शाहिद कपूर पॉइंट स्कोर करते हुए
तूने ही तो बोला था बोलो. I'm trying to make it more entertaining for you. मैं तो सो जाऊँ अपनी कॉफी लेके. देख भाई, मैं बहुत रातों में सोया नहीं हूँ.
कमेंट्री कर रहा हूँ मैं कमेंट्री कर रहा हूँ मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा. What can be the major turn off for you about a guy?
If he disrespects anyone, if the way he calls, address people, he should be humble. He should be polite enough.
Right.
Hey,
Right.
What? As Shahid Kapoor?
No, बड़ा शाहिद कपूर.
क्या था? क्या क्वेश्चन था? गलत
नहीं नहीं बराबर है.
ऐसे
So अभी
जोक मारा तू समझी नहीं.
अच्छा.
बराबर है.
I was
So
trying to
अभी
be
हाँ तो अब ये
disrespectful
डिसाइड
to
करना
you.
है
No.
कि
मुझे
ये
feel नहीं हुआ.
नहीं अब ये डिसाइड करना है कि दैट कि ये स्पीकर
I
किसको
think
जाए.
Shahid won.
Speaker-
He helped
नहीं, नहीं,
me.
नहीं.
मेरे ख्याल
He
से
helped
मुझे ऐसा
me.
लगता है
Brother,
I think
Brother, if you don't give her the speaker, you are being disrespectful to her. That's what she doesn't like about men. So you decide for her.
But he helped me, so he did.
Are you mad?
नहीं देखिए थोड़ा उनके आंसर्स थोड़े से लंबे थे तो आपके
लंबे थे.
रैपिड उस
अच्छा,
लिहाज
so I
से थे.
was-
You
So
were
आप
rapid,
थोड़ा सा
brother.
this is
Rapido.
Yes.
Rapid.
Yeah. Now I won.
Now you are winning speaker.
Yes.
Now talk loudly on speaker.
Yeah.
So-
I will groove.
Hi, this is Shahid Kapoor.
And this is Mrunal Thakur.
And you're watching
Bollywood Hangama.
31st December.
Please watch Josie in theaters.